Imagine you're living on your own in a city or even a small town. You're paying rent, buying food and managing everything on your own. और आपकी सैलरी maybe 12 से 13,000. Sounds tough, right? But this is the reality for many workers in India. Now, if we compare this with the official figures, then India's per capita income comes to around 16 to 17,000 per month. यहाँ पर एक चीज समझने की जरूरत है, ये जो 16 to 17,000 का फिगर है, ये कोई ऑफिशियल मंथली फिगर नहीं है. Because in India, income is usually reported yearly, not monthly. So this is based on government data, which puts India's average yearly income at around 2 lakh per person. But this is just an average number across the population, not what people actually earn. And the reality is, a large section of people actually earn even less than this. According to reports and surveys, इंडिया में ज़्यादातर वर्कर्स अभी भी 10 से 15,000 ही मंथली कमाते हैं and a large section is still below 20,000. So clearly, a big part of the country is living on a limited income or barely surviving. और इस इनकम के साथ कोई क्या ही कर पाता होगा, because most of this money goes into basic needs like food, rent and travel. And this is where the bigger picture becomes clear. In India, over 80 crore people still receive free food grains, and that is more than half of the population. This kind of support exists because many households still need help just to meet basic needs. And even beyond that, for poorer households, a large share of income, around 40 to 50%, goes into food alone. उसके बाद बचता क्या है? Very little for education and healthcare and nothing for savings. This is why moving ahead becomes difficult for many, and this also shows in savings. After a temporary rise during COVID, household savings have fallen again, which means people are either spending almost everything they earn or depending on borrowing. So the question is, why do people remain stuck like this? Because in India, more than 90% of the workforce is engaged in informal और semi-formal sector, जहाँ पर wages बहुत कम है. और ये हमने recently देखा है during the Noida protest, where the workers took to the streets demanding higher wages and better working conditions. So even after working very hard, moving forward becomes very difficult. It's not that people are not working. The problem is, even after working, many are stuck in low income conditions, and unless incomes improve faster than basic expenses, a large section of people will continue to live in a survival mode only.